Mike, this is for you. So for the parabola, there it is. I hope you've done this already. The nature of the parabola is definitely has a minimum. And the coordinates of the y-intercept, I know you know, are 0, -3. And the coordinates of the x-intercepts are -1, 0, and 3, 0. Remember, 0 goes second for these, first for that. The coordinates of the turning point, right there, 1, -4. And the axis of symmetry is x equals 1. If you got all those, you may give yourself 3. Okay, the next one is factorizing. So I look at this, no letters in common, all they have is a 4, b plus 4r. You can have a tick and a tick for that. These have a c in common and also a 2. So I'll put that out. And then all I need is an a and another c and a 3. Tick for that, tick for that. This is the one where if they have a bracket in common, you can put the bracket out the front and then the leftovers. Tick and a tick. If you got all those, you may have 3. Okay. Simplify the following. Remember on these, you multiply the big numbers, the coefficients, and you add the powers. This one, I take care of the number and then the letter. 6 minus 2 is 4. Power to a power, I have to raise 2 to the third power. So use your calculator if you want. 2 to the third gives me 8. So it's 8a, and then power to a power is multiply. A to the 15. And finally, this is 3 times y to the 0. The 0 is only acting on the y, so that is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3. I don't know. Oh, that's 4 marks, I said. So 1, 2, 2, half, 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 half. I'm going to have 4 for that. Okay. Carry on. It says complete the table shown, and I think I'm just going to do 1 and then pause, because this one's set up a little bit differently. When you put the -1 in, you get y equals -1 minus 2 in brackets squared plus 1. You should do this in your calculator. This turns out to be -3 squared, which is 9 plus 1 is 10. I'm going to pause and fill in the rest for you. Okay, I'm sure you saw the pattern on that one. I kind of stuffed that up there. And then I'm going to plot. So -1, 10, -1, 10, 0, 5, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 10. Looks like that. So I've done it. Sorry, I had a little glitch there, so it's done. And then I'm going to draw the line of symmetry. So you're going to have a ruler with you, and you're going to draw the line of symmetry with your pen right through. And its equation is x equals 2. I'm just going to move this page a little bit, not trying to make you dizzy. And then the coordinates of the turning point, I'm sure you put them down, were 2, 1. And the x-intercepts, none. And I want you to write none if there are none. And the y-intercept was 0, 5. Cool. You can have 6 marks. Do them any way you want. All right. Last, the diagram to answer all questions. So what is the y-intercept of the line? What is the gradient? Up 3 over 2. What is the equation? I reckon you got that. 1, 2, 3 marks. 3 full. Okay, I put a star by this one because it's kind of hard. It says given the table, shows a value of y after x years. Okay? It says find an equation to describe the pattern. So what I have to do is I have to pick 2 points. That's the y-intercept. So I have y equals mx plus c. I have the plus c, but I need to get the gradient, so I've got to pick 2 points. So I might use 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 2, 1, 5, 0, 0. And I'll do the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so I'll get x1, y1, x2, y2. And so for the m, I'll get 2, 1, 5, 0, 0 minus 2, 4, 0, 0, 0 over 1 minus 0. I'm just going to pause and do that maths. Okay, after I did that maths, I got negative 2,500. I did it in my calculator over 1, which is negative 2,500. And the x and the plus. And then it says, use the equation to predict after 8 years. So I'm going to go y equals negative 2,500 times 8 plus 24,000, which is equal to, okay, I did my maths here, and I got 4,000. So the value of the car after 8 years is 4,000. I think it is just car, actually. Okay. The last one is a hard one, like we did yesterday. So it's x plus 2 over 2x times 8x squared over, this factorizes difference of two perfect squares, x plus 2 times x minus 2. So that whole thing can cross with that whole thing. The 2 can go in once and go in 4, and 1x can be gone here. So on top I just have 4x, and on bottom I have x minus 2. That's a B question. Okay, good luck.